Hi, I'm Kaylee from Graco. I'm going to show you how to use the 360-degree swivel wheels on your merged stroller. First, make sure your brakes are unlocked. To use the front swivel wheels, make sure your wheels are unlocked. To unlock, press down on the collar at the front of each wheel and click into place. Once unlocked, your front wheels will swivel in the direction that you push the stroller towards. To use the rear swivel wheels, squeeze and hold the button on the handle. You must keep the button engaged to use the rear swivel wheels. Now all 4 swivel wheels are activated. You can easily move the stroller in any direction. To lock the rear wheels back into place, release the button on the handle and move the stroller forward.